My name is Daniel from WTI, and this is the QiMH Retractable Dog Leash. QiMH Retractable Leash is easy to attach on to your dog. Just clip it on to any harness or collar, like so. And we're ready to go. It's always a blast taking my dog around the neighborhood with this leash. A few things I love about the QiMH leash is the handle. It's very sturdy and easy to grip, making it easier to control my dog. As well as the leash that is retractable and 16 feet long. To lock the leash, just press down the button on the top and slide your finger down. To unlock the leash, slide this button back up, and there you go. The QiMH leash is a wonderful option for all your dog walking needs, and I highly recommend it. And that is my point of view.